Hi guys, Fred Zinn here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Chaparral 30 bunkhouse. Come on in, I want to show you the insides. When you come in here, you got a nice solid step system. It's very stable. When you come into the living area, you got your freestanding dinette, and then over here you have a tri-fold sofa. Folds out to a nice bed. And then you got your nice large screen TV. And you also have a little electric fireplace. I'll actually heat the whole insides. And then you have storage above the TV. Right here you have your stadium seats. They're heated and massage, and they both recline. Come into the galley. Got a nice two-door fridge. All right, when you come into the kitchen here, you got your microwave, and then you got your 3-burner cooktop, and then you got your oven, and then you got full extension drawers. You also have storage below your island. Nice Corian countertop, one piece, dual sink, stainless steel. And then you can put these on for more countertop space. Come on back here. Pop your head in here. You got a little bunk room, so you can shut the door. Come on up here. You walk into the bedroom. Got a queen size walk around bed. You also have storage underneath. Little wardrobe storage. And then this slide out over here is just another wardrobe. And then you come into the bathroom. Got a nice corner shower, medicine cabinet. Come on outside, I'll show you the rest. You got your outside speakers, and then you have a 14-foot power awning. Then you got a ladder, get on the roof, it's a full walk-on roof. Right here's your pass-through. Your auto leveling's right here. Your waste controls, your city water connection, outside shower. Got two 7.5 gallon propane tanks. Guys, if you'd like more information on this Coachmen Chaparral 30 bunkhouse, give me a call. My name's Fred. My number is 541-729-9500.